Think about the best home security alarm system for your house. Are you considering all the necessary factors? When it comes to safeguarding our homes, the importance of a robust home security alarm system cannot be overstated. These systems act as our first line of defense against potential threats, from burglaries to fires, providing us with the precious peace of mind we need. But how do we choose the right system? That's where authorized dealers come into play. They offer a wide range of security solutions, from basic alarms to advanced smart systems that integrate with your smartphone or voice assistants. With their expertise, authorized dealers can help you navigate through the sea of options and find a solution that's just right for your home. One of the key benefits of choosing an authorized dealer is the assurance of quality. These dealers are committed to offering only top quality products and services, ensuring that your home is protected to the highest standards. But their role doesn't stop at providing reliable systems. Authorized dealers also offer professional installation, maintenance and support. Their expert technicians can assess your home's unique needs and recommend the best security setup, ensuring that your system is as effective as it can be. Choosing an authorized dealer is not just about buying a product, it's about investing in your safety and the security of your loved ones. Their systems are designed to be user-friendly and customizable, allowing you to easily control and monitor your home from anywhere. Generic security solutions may be widely available, but they often fall short of meeting individual needs. An authorized dealer, on the other hand, offers personalized services and ensures that your system meets industry standards. They follow strict guidelines to deliver a reliable and effective security solution that suits your home. Making the right choice of a security system is crucial, and authorized dealers can be your reliable partners in this journey. So, if you're looking for the ultimate home security alarm system, remember that an authorized dealer is the way to go. Their expertise, reliable products, and exceptional customer service will give you the peace of mind you deserve. Take the first step towards a safer home by reaching out to an authorized dealer today. The world of home security alarm systems is vast, with each system designed to cater to specific needs. The spectrum of options available is truly impressive, offering a solution for every lifestyle and home. At the most basic level, we have traditional alarm systems. Simple yet effective, these systems are equipped with door and window sensors that trigger an alarm when breached. While they may lack some of the bells and whistles of more advanced systems, they offer a reliable first line of defense against intruders. Moving up the ladder, we encounter wireless alarm systems. These systems offer a higher degree of flexibility and are perfect for those who prefer a less invasive installation process. They communicate via radio signals, eliminating the need for hard wiring and making them an excellent choice for apartments or rented homes where drilling into walls might not be an option. For those who want a more comprehensive solution, smart security systems are the way to go. These systems connect to your home's Wi-Fi network and can be controlled remotely via a smartphone or tablet. This means you can arm or disarm your alarm, monitor security cameras, and even receive alerts about suspicious activity, all from the palm of your hand. But we don't stop there. Incorporating home automation into your security system is the next big step. With this, you can control not just your security, but also other smart devices in your home, like your thermostat, lights, or door locks. Imagine being able to lock your doors, turn off lights, and activate your alarm system with just a few taps on your phone. It's convenience and security rolled into one. And let's not forget about monitored security systems. These systems are monitored 24/7 by professional security companies. In the event of a break-in, fire, or other emergency, they can quickly dispatch the appropriate authorities to your home. Remember, the best security system for you is one that fits your lifestyle and meets your home's unique needs. With an authorized dealer, you can explore these options and more, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your home. Why should you choose an authorized dealer for your home security alarm system? Let's delve into the array of benefits that come from this decision. First and foremost, authorized dealers offer a spectrum of top-quality security solutions. These range from basic alarm systems to sophisticated smart setups that integrate seamlessly with your digital devices. They are designed with one aim in mind: to safeguard your home from potential threats like burglaries and fires. But it's not just about the security products themselves. Authorized dealers provide a comprehensive service that goes beyond the point of purchase. This includes professional installation, routine maintenance, and round-the-clock support. Their expert technicians assess your home's unique needs and recommend the most effective security configurations, ensuring your system performs optimally. Choosing an authorized dealer means investing wisely in your safety and the security of your loved ones. The systems they provide are user-friendly and offer a high degree of customization. This means you can monitor and control your home security with ease, whether you're in the office, out shopping, or on vacation. And let's not forget the personalized service you receive. Unlike generic security solutions, authorized dealers offer tailor-made services that cater to your specific needs. They ensure that your system adheres to stringent industry standards and follows strict guidelines. This results in a reliable and effective security solution that perfectly suits your home. Lastly, customer service is a key strength of authorized dealers. They offer exceptional support, troubleshooting any issues you may encounter and providing expert advice whenever needed. This not only enhances your overall experience, but also assures you of their commitment to your safety. When you choose an authorized dealer, you're not just buying a product, but investing in a comprehensive service. You're making a choice that ensures the security of your home and gives you the peace of mind you deserve. So take the first step towards a safer home by reaching out to an authorized dealer today. You won't regret it. How much should you invest in your home security? It's a question that often comes up when looking into home security alarm systems. The answer is not as straightforward as one might think, since the cost can vary depending on the complexity and sophistication of the system you choose. However, one thing is clear. Investing in a security system is an investment in safety and peace of mind. It's about more than just the monetary value. It's about the value of knowing your home and loved ones are protected. You see, the cost of a home security alarm system can range from a few $100s for a basic setup to several thousand for a more advanced smart system. But no matter the price tag, the underlying value is the same. It's an investment that offers a return in the form of safety, security, and peace of mind. Consider this. The average cost of a burglary is estimated to be well over $1,000. That's not even factoring in the emotional distress and the violation of personal space that comes along with it. Now compare that to the cost of a security system. Suddenly the investment seems much more worthwhile, doesn't it? Moreover, with an authorized dealer, you're not just paying for a product. You're paying for a service, for expertise, for professional installation, and for ongoing support. You're paying for the assurance that your system is reliable, effective, and meets industry standards. And remember, an investment in a home security system could potentially save you money in the long run. Many insurance companies offer discounts on homeowners insurance if you have a security system installed. So, when you're considering the cost of a home security alarm system, remember to consider the value, not just the price. Investing in a high-quality security system from an authorized dealer is a decision that pays off in the long run. It's an investment in safety, in peace of mind, and in the well-being of you and your loved ones. It's an investment worth making. What makes a home security alarm system stand out from the rest? When choosing a home security alarm system, several key features can elevate your home protection experience. Let's delve into some of these essential attributes that make a security system more than just a burglar alarm. Firstly, ease of use is paramount. A system that's complex to operate will likely be underutilized or misused. Look for a system that simplifies the process with intuitive controls, clear instructions, and user-friendly interfaces. This way, you can confidently manage your security system without the need for a manual every time. Next, consider the system's integration capabilities. In this age of smart homes, your security system should be able to seamlessly integrate with other devices. Whether it's your smartphone, your smart door locks, or even your voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home, a good system should offer you the flexibility to control and monitor your home using the devices you already own. Customization is another crucial feature to look out for. Every home is unique, and so are its security needs. A one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't cut it. Your system should allow you to customize settings, add or remove components, and adjust alarm triggers to suit your specific needs. This way, you can build a security setup that's tailored to your home. Lastly, think about the system's ability to grow with you. As your family expands or your lifestyle changes, your security needs might evolve too. A system that offers scalability and adaptability can be adjusted to meet these changing demands, ensuring your home remains secure at all times. With the right features, your home security alarm system can provide more than just protection. It can offer convenience and control. So remember, when you're on the hunt for the perfect home security alarm system, don't just look for a box to tick off your safety checklist. Instead, seek a comprehensive solution that offers ease of use, integration, customization, and scalability. Because your home deserves nothing but the best. How do you go about choosing and installing a home security alarm system? The process may seem daunting, but with the help of an authorized dealer, it's actually straightforward and hassle-free. First, consider your home's unique needs. How many entrances do you want to secure? Do you have a large property that requires outdoor surveillance? These questions will help determine the type of system you need. An authorized dealer can provide a thorough assessment and recommend the best options for your home. Next, you'll want to think about features. Do you want a system that integrates with smart home devices? Perhaps you're interested in mobile alerts or remote monitoring capabilities. Again, an authorized dealer can guide you through these decisions, ensuring you choose a system that aligns with your lifestyle and needs. Once you've selected a system, it's time for installation. This is where an authorized dealer really shines. Their expert technicians will install your system, ensuring everything is set up correctly for optimal performance. They'll also walk you through how to use your new system, so you'll feel confident and in control from day one. But the service doesn't end there. Authorized dealers also provide ongoing maintenance and support. They'll regularly check your system to ensure it's working properly and update it as needed. If you ever have questions or issues, you can count on them for quick and efficient help. Lastly, don't forget about cost. While a home security alarm system is a significant investment, it's important to remember it's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. An authorized dealer can provide you with a detailed quote, so you'll know exactly what you're getting and how much it will cost. With the help of an authorized dealer, choosing and installing a home security alarm system can be a smooth and hassle-free process. So why wait? Start your journey towards a safer home today. Securing your home is a decision that requires careful consideration. As we've explored in this guide, choosing an authorized dealer for your home security alarm system is a decision that comes with numerous benefits. Authorized dealers offer a wide spectrum of security solutions, from the most basic alarms to advanced smart systems that can be integrated with your smartphone or voice assistant. This array of options ensures that there's a perfect fit for every home, every budget, and every unique set of needs. Beyond the products themselves, authorized dealers also provide professional installation, maintenance, and support services. Their expert technicians are equipped to assess your home's individual needs and recommend the best security setup. This level of service provides an added layer of assurance that your home is protected against burglaries, fires, and other emergencies. Choosing an authorized dealer isn't just about buying a product. It's about making an investment in your safety and the security of your loved ones. These systems are designed to be user-friendly and customizable, offering you control and peace of mind, no matter where you are. When you opt for an authorized dealer, you're choosing personalized service and industry-standard compliance. These dealers follow strict guidelines to deliver the most reliable and effective security solutions for your home. In sum, if you're searching for the ultimate home security alarm system, an authorized dealer is the way to go. Their combination of expertise, reliable products, and exceptional customer service will provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. Take the first step towards a safer home by contacting an authorized dealer today. This is a decision you won't regret, and remember, your safety and security are our priority. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful information in our future videos.